get us some music going. Playlists. Kevin McLeod. Just kidding, it's Kevin McLeod. Beautiful. Let's also get our chat up because I didn't have that up earlier. So for those of you that did not watch the previous video or stream, however you saw it, I have decided to completely change how I want to do this. So instead of making the overall game, I want to go with a bunch of smaller games and teach how to actually make a game, because there's a lot of videos of how to do certain parts of games and stuff like that, but I haven't noticed a whole lot of videos pertaining to how to actually become a game developer, and so that's what I want to do. So I have changed the channel. So yeah, that is loud in my ears. It's probably not too loud on the stream, so we'll just turn it down that way. Okay. Start stream. Do I have to refresh the page? Oh, right. 1 second. There we go. Control A, Control C. Game. Where's the number sign? Number 1. Golf. My chat's not working. Why you do this? Yay! Come on, load. Boom, 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 boom. Alrighty, and we are good to go. Alright. So, today we are going to start with a golf game, a simple golf game. And we're going to use the blueprint. We're going to name it Golf. Sure. Project is Golf. There we go. So here is a simple rolling physics template. See, it has collision, which is perfect for us because that means that there's less work that we have to do. Got collision boxes and physics base boxes here. It's got a couple ramps and stuff, and you can jump. Very, very simple. So now, first things first, I want to... What do we want to set up first? Let's go into project settings. Go into input. Action mappings. Let's get rid of the ability to jump, because although that's in most golf games for whatever reason, that in real life you can't bounce a golf ball just because you want it to bounce. We're also going to change the move forward and move right. Actually, we'll leave those axis mappings. We're going to add let's see, forward. We're gonna have a draw forward here. And that is going to be mouse Y. Okay. And just curious. I think if we just do mouse Y like that, it'll be fine. Wow, that is really, really loud on my end. There we go. Let's turn that down. Okay, so we're gonna have draw forward. We're going to have draw right. And this is going to be our mouse X. Okay. Now we're going to go into the blueprint editor. And we're going to remove mouse right. There. Move right and move forward. And we want to limit the amount of the draw that we can do. So, we also need to action mappings. New action mapping is, what's our new action mapping? That's probably going to be mouse release, or yeah, ball release, and we're gonna go to mouse and right mouse button. Yeah. And we're also going to do camera locator. Actually, that's probably going to be an action map, now that I think about it. So we'll go ahead and add that. Camera zoom. Mouse wheel up is going to be at a scale of 1, and then we're going to have mouse wheel down as a scale of -1. Okay, so we have draw forward, draw right, ball release. We'll rename this to ball charge and release. Okay. I think we are good to go. Right, that's just all jumping physics, which we don't need. Delete. And delete. Delete and delete. Because we will not be using any of those. I'm going to use C to put in a new comment section, and this is going to be draw arrow. Details panel I want over here. That way we can see the full screen. Okay, we're gonna right click here. We're going to go event. Ball charge and release. Okay, so when it's first pressed, we want to do an if statement here. And then we want to get velocity, so get velocity and brake vector. And we also want to get the event graph ball. Oh, I guess that works for the whole thing, huh? Durr. So, if and Boolean we're gonna add a new variable here, and this is going to be moving. We're also going to do an event tick here. Out of the way. We're gonna go ahead and select all this, move this down. So we have the velocity, we're gonna break it. And then not equal. What is this? Float? Yeah. If it's not equal to 0, or actually is equal. Print that, and then we'll just Control Z, Control V. We want that for ZY. And Z velocity does not matter. Nope, we want to change that to set. Shoop. You want our if statement to be here. how do we want to do this? Yeah, it is going to be an if statement here. That's right. If, grab all this. So if all that's true, then we're going to set moving to false, or set moving to true. Okay. So now all that we have in place is checking to see if the ball's moving, right? So let's get moving. Move that up there. Because I like to keep my things short and concise. So, charge and release. If false, it's not, wait. If it's true, it's not gonna do anything. So it's just gonna wait. If it's false, print string not moving. Compile, save. Now, you see how on the screen it says not moving? That's because I'm clicking. Okay. Let us go ahead, go into our blueprints. Let's get a new UI widget blueprint. And this is going to be the charge. We'll just do simple UI. HUD. Rename. Alright, progress bar. We're gonna put this down here. Yeah, we can bring it to about right there. Perfect. And we're, all I did there was move the anchor. That way it'll automatically go to that spot. Alright, we're gonna do a text here. Label this ball charge. Don't want it to get cut off. This, the fill color is going to be red. Sure. Ish. It's reddish. That's fine. go to the graph editor. Fill percent. I don't remember how this all works. Go back to our designer. Create a binding. There we go. Input. Is it access mapping? What is it called? Oh, did I change the max and minimum of this before we get going on that? I forgot. Style? No. Let's also rename this. Let's rename it ball charge bar. Behavior. I could have swore that you could change the fill percent. Okay. Can you not do event tech things here? Set percent. Haha. So then we go if true, I think. Yeah. Oh, here we go. That's what we want. Where are all my events? Context changed. Wait, what did I call my events? That might be better. I know there's a way to do this. I'm absolutely sure of it. Get mouse position. Haha! There we go. And then we get player controller. Bam. Okay. So we have location X. And location Y. So Y's up, X is sideways. Gotcha. Should probably set mouse position to 0 on every tick. Or the values at least. That way it keeps resetting. Actually, it's not mouse position, is it? I don't know. Yay! First major problem that I can't figure out. Ball charge and release. Press, then it's gonna print that. Right. Oh, that's what we do. Duh. We need a new event dispatch. That's right. So this is set fill percent, right? Or no. Charge velocity. Sure. Okay. So now we do it's not a sign? Ah, there we go. What did I name that? Charge ball velocity. Call charge ball velocity. To simple HUD. Bam. Bam. Our object, I think, is player controller. Get player controller. There we go. Move that up there. Right there. So, call charge ball velocity. We're going to grab this. Bind. And I thought that I could do a sign. What? Find this event. Can I do it in the regular graph editor? That might be the difference. Yeah. So, you want the event tick to come here, come hither. Charge ball velocity. just want to see what this says. Real quick. Break link. What's wrong with this? And then we're back to the very beginning. Fantastic. Okay. Okay. Well, that was fun. I need to go do some things, but real quick, I want to show something that I do know exactly how to do, and that's how to change the material here. So we're going to go into our material editor. That is the roughness, but we're going to delete that. What is it called? Scalar perimeter. That's what we want. This is going to be roughness. C, Control V. This is going to be transparency. And this is going to be metallic. Oh, whoops. Control C, Control V. So metallic goes to metallic, roughness goes to roughness, and transparency goes to opacity. However, we need to select this one. There we go. Just select somewhere. Go to translucent. Transparency goes to opacity, and click on this one. Default value is 0.5. Roughness 0, and that's going to be 1. And apply. And if I did this right, it should look right. I'm hoping. Oh, well, I'm getting a call, so that's going to be the end of the stream here. Sorry about that, guys. So thank you all for watching. Hope you guys have enjoyed, and when I come back, we will continue. So look forward to that, I suppose. Have a good one. Bye-bye.